Greetings guys, and welcome to another tutorial. Today we will be looking at the model block and what's inside. What is the model block? The model block is a decoration block that you can place in the world. You can choose any morph, like a static model, sequencer morph, for animation, or snowstorm morph. Speaking of sequencer morphs, let's take a look at what you can find in the model block. To do this, place the block in the desired position and right-click on it. If you have the emoticon mod installed, you will see all emoticon skin morphs above, which have a more realistic animation due to the mod. Without emoticons, some morphs are listed, which we will cover in separate videos. If you have saved a structure with a structure block, you can find and select it here and transform it later. By default, you will find the Alex, Steve, Fred, and empty models, as well as the cape and the eye models. The last section contains the entity morphs. There, you can select, place, and animate any animal in the game. Entities from the other mods can also be found there. So, now we have explored the inside of the model block, let's take a look at the interface. The first step is to select a model to be edited. We will take the MCHORSE model as an example. With the entity field, you can set the yaw and pitch of the head. With the lower field, you can set the yaw of the body. With the translate fields, you move the morph along the axis. Also, self-explanatory are the scale and rotation fields. These scale and rotate the morph along the X, Y, and Z axis. To scale the morph uniformly, check the box next to it. If your morph allows it, you can also give it armor and weapons. To do this, use the weapons and armor slot in the middle and put the desired item in them. Let's take a look at the toggle boxes on the side. If you turn off shadow, the morph won't cast a shadow under itself. Note that if you're using a shader, this setting will have no effect. If you place a large morph and don't want it to disappear when you turn away, activate the global field. You only must reload the chunks with F3 and A. Now the morph will not disappear anymore. To hide the model block, activate Enable field. If you can't find the model block anymore, press F3. There, you will see all placed model blocks. You can rotate the model block towards you by pressing the big button above the fields. We will deal with the edit button in the next video. Last but not least, some useful information. With the 0 button, you can access the last model block you interacted with from anywhere. As with player heads and other blocks with NBT data, you can also copy the model block with Control and mouse wheel. If you press the Shift key while placing a model block, the model will rotate in your direction. And that's it, we're done. We wish you a lot of fun making creative videos with the Blockbuster mods. See you next time.